How to make money on Facebook. And amount you can make, the higher the rank the more money to be made. 9. Invest in Facebook stock, 20% annually on principal amount. With this you don't even have to create a Facebook account. Facebook is a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq index. Facebook's stock symbol is FB and it can be purchased with any brokerage in your IRA or taxable brokerage account. As with any stock market investment, Facebook isn't guaranteed to make you money. Its stock price can fluctuate daily, so you should invest and plan to hold long-term to realize a profit. If you prefer a less volatile way to invest in Facebook, you might consider buying an index fund that currently holds Facebook in its portfolio. 8. Promote your services product in local groups, $1,000 to $10K monthly. A business that has made million-dollar sales from this is ADULTS&MONEY. This lingerie brand that's known for celebrating women of all shapes, sizes and colors, created a Valentine's Day campaign focused on self-love. Instead of using more stereotypical Valentine's themes centered around loved-up couples and dressing up for a partner, ADULTS&MONEY empowered women to celebrate themselves. To succeed in this, make sure your advertisement has a clear call to action. It includes an enticing value proposition, it's visual, it's relevant to the audience, it's targeted to a specific audience. We dive deeper into this on our video titled How to Increase Sales on Facebook, so subscribe if interested. 7. Use Facebook search bar as your sales funnel, $1,550 to $12K monthly. There's a prominent search bar inside Facebook search bar at the top of the page. And a lot of people use the site as a search engine. So the question to ask yourself is, when they search, are they going to find you? One creative way to use Facebook search to your advantage is to create a group about your topic. E.g., millennial entrepreneur community. When people search entrepreneur or similar keywords and come across the group, the bulk of the owner's revenue comes from selling a course on how to become an entrepreneur, but no brand new person is ready to buy that high ticket offer. So instead they're warmed up through the group, through free trainings, and through email newsletters, which later convert into sales. 6. Build Facebook Messenger chatbots, $2,000 plus. While the rules and regulations surrounding Facebook Messenger as a marketing channel are constantly evolving, the demand for chatbots continues to rise. If you know a bit of coding, you may consider this an alternative to increase your income, and if you can master the art of building these through services like ChatFuel, you could offer this as a service to other businesses. These often deliver a series of lessons, or use AI or customer inputs to spit out a result or recommendation. For example, you can hire a freelancer to build out a survey bot that would give recommendations based on how customers answered a few questions. 5. Become a social media manager, $50,000 plus annually. Social media isn't going anywhere, and if you're already hooked on it, companies might hire you for your expertise. According to Glassdoor, the average social media manager salary is $54,000 per year. Still, many companies don't need or want a full-time employee. You could offer your services on freelance basis. To start, take a look at some of the companies you're already a customer of. What's their Facebook presence like? How would you improve it? Hint: look for people in their marketing department on LinkedIn for earn referral bonuses, $wide range. Word of mouth recommendations are one of the most efficient forms of advertising. Companies know this, and that's why they offer you a referral bonus when your friends join through your link. An example is Rakuten. Maybe you already use them to earn cash back on nearly every online purchase yourself. You can send email invites or click the social media share buttons in your account to share your referral link. If your friend signs up through your referral link, you can earn a cash bonus. Most companies that you use on a regular basis offer referral bonuses than you might realize. Take a minute or two and see if you can earn some extra cash by sharing your favorite apps and websites on social media. Subscribe. We post weekly content to help you make and manage money, enabling you to be successful financially. 3. Create Facebook ads, $2,000 to $50K. As a freelancer, you can create ads for someone else's page or for your page. This can be a side hustle, and you could earn $50 to $700 for a few minutes job. Or you could specialize and teach others at a fee through a course or Discord group. As a business owner, you can run ads to help grow your business. For this suggestion, you will first need to create a Facebook page for your business or website. Creating a page is free and only takes a few minutes, and any business or website is eligible. If you need a visual example, visit the Blossom Facebook page to get an idea of what your page can look like. Once your page is created, you can share posts with your page followers just like you can write posts on your personal timeline. Facebook pages are the social media equivalent of having a mailing list. You can regularly send messages to your most loyal followers. For example, nightclubs might publish a weekly post mentioning the events and promotions of the week. However, don't forget that you can make money posting ads on Facebook to reach people that currently don't follow your page. 2. Get a job, ranges depending on your field. Facebook also has their very own job feature to help you find a new job. Local companies will advertise open positions in the Jobs tab. You will find full-time and part-time positions for many industries in this page, so scroll down and look at all the opportunities. In addition to the Facebook Jobs button, there are many groups that list online job leads too. You can join different groups to find job leads and also get insights on the application process and work experience from other group members. 1. Bug Bounty, $20,000 plus per bug found. For tech specialist. You can earn on Facebook and other large websites by looking for security flaws that can let a hacker hack into the website. If you enjoy testing websites, the Facebook Bug Bounty program lets you report coding flaws that need to be patched. You can get paid for your diligence if the flaw hasn't been reported to Facebook yet,